Hi everyone, happy to meet you again. Today I am going to teach you the story The Beggar. It's written by Anton Chekhov. Let us now get the idea about its theme. The story is about a beggar. How the life of a beggar changes when he meets an advocate, when he is witnessing the benefits of hard work, when he prepares himself to follow the truth and honesty in life. Okay. Now let us identify the learning outcome of this story. You will be able to sketch the character of Lashkov and Sergei. You will also be able to describe the best qualities of Olga, the cook. You will also be able to discuss the theme of the story, the beggar. And by learning the entire story, you will be able to list the benefits of being or using kind words and working hard. So, on the whole, the story delivers as great benefits, and you will be able to get imbibed by the storyline. There is no doubt about that. The story Becker talks about three characters: Lashkov, the beggar; Sergei, the advocate; Olga, the cook. The entire story revolves around them. The meeting of the Lashkov with Sergei brings some changes and brings some turning point in the story. The cook, Olga, also brings a sea change in the life of Lashkov. And let us now remember the theme of this story: positivity, hard work, kind approach, truth and honesty, and the power of words, power of emotional words, or power of positive words. So the story talks about all these points in a clearer way, and you will be able to infer all these without any difficulty. Now you are going to learn about the situations and consequences between. Now you are going to learn about the conversation between Lashkov and Sergei. As an advocate, he has understood the pathetic conditions of Lashkov because Lashkov begged him to do something for his everyday life, for his daily bread. He could not manage his life without any considerable amount of money. So he begged him. He was living with a pathetic lifestyle. So to convince people, he lied. He told the people that he was a student, and some occasion he also mentioned that he was also a school teacher, village school teacher. Now he didn't have any opportunity to work. So this kind of dishonesty really proved his pathetic life conditions. So after meeting the advocate Sergei, he got an opportunity to work. He offered him to work in his firm, especially in the province of Kaluga, because of his pathetic conditions. Sergei has met him already in Sadovia Street. So when he recollects that memory, he was not able to control his emotions, and he agreed that he lied. And he also said that he clearly made a statement that he worked in Russian choir. So due to his considerable amount of pain and unforgettable sufferings, he was not able to continue the job, and he used to drink. So he was a drunkard person. So because of this reason, he lost his job. So this particular point, the initial stage of the story, proved that Lashkov's intention is not to beg, but the conditions, the circumstances led him to beg. And he was able to convince Sergei, so he offered a job. Such a way he helped. Instead of offering something to eat or offering something, some amount of money just to lead his life, instead he directed him to work. He directed him to do something good without wasting any kind of without wasting any time. So, due to his poverty, due to his pathetic conditions, he was not able to lead his life. Now, with the help of Sergei, he got an opportunity in woodshed, where his job or his major responsibility is to chop the wood. He was hungry, he was not able to deny that offer, but he had to accept that, and he wanted a work. So now luckily he got an opportunity in his woodshed. He felt that there was an inner conflict between pride and shame. He was ashamed to beg others, but at the same time his pride as a teacher, his pride as an individual man, a privileged man, was not able to get or request others. Where he met Olga, she was a cook. She maintains a particular attitude that really troubled him a lot. He was so angry. She was not showing any kind of considerable words. He was very strict in executing orders of Sergei. She scolded him time to time. So that proved that he was a perfect manager. He executed the order. He offered him to do something to do. She knew that he is new to that job. So to help him to learn something new, she had to give him several jobs. For this work, he got half ruble, a unit of Russian currency. So the entire story revolves around this particular field, and especially this takes place in Russia. He got another, because of his hard work, he got another opportunity, and again and again. Actually, this kind of job was offered him in every first of every month. But later he was again he was given that opportunity again and again. So that proved that he could show some positive gesture to get job offer. He was now capable of doing shovel snow, putting the woodshed in order, and then he was able to do some major jobs. So with the help of that, he could access all the needy things too. And finally, Sergei employed him in packing and hauling unit. Lakshman was able to impress Sergei because he was capable of completing all the job, was able to follow his command and order, and he was also sincere in his duty. Whenever Sergei monitors him, he could complete all the work in time. So that really impressed him. He felt very happy and started giving him new type of job, new type of He offered him some fruitful advice too. Earlier he mentioned that he was drinking continuously, he was a drunkard person. Now he offered him not to drink, not to waste time, and he asked him, advised him to lead a decent life. This, and he also offered him some health related advice. Sagar felt very happy about doing something good. So personally he felt happy because earlier he was begging, he was leading his life by doing something which is not acceptable by anyone. So he led him to the right path. And after 2 years, he met him at a theatre. And Lakshav started earning 35 rubles a month. So this particular information, when he shares this particular thing, he was amazed by his growth. Earlier he was able to get very few amount of ruble in a month, but now he is able to earn nearly 35 rubles. So this is the ultimate sign of growth. When he is able to earn that much money, means he is capable of working hard, he is capable of saving the time, he is also able to know how to work hard. He felt happy. Sagar felt happy about his growth. Lashkav's growth. When we read the history, when we read the success story of Lashkav's growth, we came to know about Olga's contribution in imparting positive spirit. Earlier we read that she was very strict, she was not showing any considerable thing, or she was not showing any grace. She used to scold him. All those things happened in the sight of Sagar. But now, when he reveals a secret to the advocate Sagar, we learn that Olga's contribution is bigger and considerable one, because she sympathized with him. In what manner? She was able to feel very sad about his pathetic life, because he doesn't know how to chop or how to do any work. He was simply sitting over there without any work or without doing anything. So that really led her to do something good for him, and entire thing was done by her. All the basic work, all the chopping and other things were done by Olga only. So that really proved that her contribution really helped him. Her contribution really helped him to grow, and that really gave him room to realize his mistakes. So in the meeting, Lashkov revealed all the truth about it. He also said that he stopped drinking after that particular incident. He started thinking about his growth too. He showed his great gratitude by mentioning her name and revealed everything to him. Finally, she remembered her contribution. He remembered her contribution too. So the climax of the story helps us to, a climax of the story impresses us to do something good, and we need to think everything in a positive aspect. When we are not able to focus our attention with our work, we need to find some room, or we need to find new opportunities that will definitely help us to move from one stage to another. When we are capable of grabbing new opportunities and exploiting the opportunities, most probably we will be reaching the great heights in our life. Thank you.